How to create your own stickers on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you're doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Telegram application. Now go to your chat. Now tap on the message box. Now click on the sticker icon. Now scroll down and tap on the plus icon. Now select a photo you want to make your sticker, or you can tap on three dots and tap on create to create a new sticker. Now here you can find different tools. You can use paintbrush to make your own sticker. You can choose your brush to draw over. Now at the bottom right corner, you will find an option for next. Tap on it. Again tap on next. You can tap on add to favorites, or you can also add it to your sticker set. Tap on new sticker set. Now name your sticker set. Tap on create. Now select a sticker and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.